Have you ever looked at Malayalam and thought these letters are impossible to read? What if I told you that by learning just a few Malayalam vowels, you can start reading hundreds of Malayalam words? In today's video, I am going to teach Malayalam vowels in the easiest way as possible. Whether you are a child, an adult, or a non-Malayalam speaker, this lesson will help you build a strong foundation for reading Malayalam. Hello everyone, welcome to NewChoice. We are learning the most important part of the Malayalam language, vowels, also known as Swaraksharangal. In every language, vowels are special sounds that can be pronounced on their own. For example, in English, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Similarly, Malayalam also has vowels. They are the building blocks of words. Without vowels, we cannot form complete words. By the end of this video, you will be able to recognize and read all Malayalam vowels confidently. Ready? Let's begin. These vowels are the foundation of reading, writing, and speaking Malayalam. If you master the vowels, reading Malayalam becomes much easier. How to write Malayalam vowels? I will share a video link in the description. You can watch and practice for writing. Let's learn the vowels one by one. A as in about. A. Amma. Achan. A. Father. Long pronunciation. Ana. Akasham. It. E. Short sound. Ila. Ishtam. Long sound. Si. Icha. U. Put. Up. Urula. Long sound. Food. Unyal. Urjam. Drill. Rishi. Rishabham. Pen. Yeli. Yet. Long sound. Day. Yeni. Yelam. I. Rice. Ice. Aikyam. O. Go. Ottagam. Onnu. Home. Onam. Autumn. Cow. Aushadham. Audaryam. Come. Ambujam. A. This vowel is not using much. A. I. U. R. I. O. A. Short sounds. A. Amma. Ila. Up. Yeli. Ottagam. Long sounds. Ana. Icha. Unyal. Yeni. Onam. Special sound. Rishi. Ice. Aushadham. Ambujam. A. Easy memory trick. Remember them in groups. Short vowels. A. I. U. A. O. Long vowels. A. E, U, E, O. Special vowels R, I, Ow, A. Practice time. Read after me. A, I, U, R, E, I, O, Ow, A. Amma, Ana, Ila, Icha, Uppu, Ujal, Rishi, Eli, Eni, Ice, Ottagam, Onam, Aushadham, Ambujam. A. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Confusing A and A. Remember, A short sound, A long sound. E short sound, E long sound. U short sound, U long sound. Instead of memorizing letters separately, connect them to words. For example, A, Amma, A, Ana, I, Ila, E, Icha. Find the Malayalam words and start to read from today. Every day, try reading just 5 Malayalam words. Your reading speed will improve quickly. Don't worry if you forget some letters. Every Malayalam speaker started exactly where you are today. Learning a language is like climbing stairs. One step at a time. One vowel at a time. One word at a time. And soon you will be reading Malayalam confidently. Again, I am telling you, for writing practice, you can watch my previous video, link in the description box. Let's read all the vowels together. A, I, U, R, E, I, O, Ow, A. Today you learn Malayalam vowels, the foundation of Malayalam language. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share with your friends and subscribe to NewChoice online classroom. And comment below which Malayalam vowel do you remember best. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.